What's going on YouTube? This your boy here from Africa. Okay, real quick, I want to show you guys if your temperature in your truck is not working. This truck is a 4300, so MV's 4300 is the same thing, but I'm pretty sure if it comes to Freightliner, pretty much everything, it should be the same way. Okay, this right here is the temperature control unit. All right, this little thing control the AC, heater, fans, and everything. So they're pretty expensive from the dealership. It's like $1,000 from the dealership. But you can go to Amazon. I will have the link in the description. You can go to Amazon and buy it, or you can find a local junkyard that have trucks, okay? And ask them if they have this. Give them the model of your truck, and you can get it for cheap. But I don't want to drive to go all the way Indiana, you know. So I'd rather order that on Amazon. So I have the new replacement, and you know, that's the box over here, and I just replaced that. You're gonna need a flathead screwdriver, right, to pop it right here and pull this thing out. You guys see that? And then over here, repeat the same thing. Pull this out, just like that, right? When you pull this out, you're gonna hold on to this and just pull it out. Come out. That's it. When you take it out of your way, complete it, set it to a side. Go Home Depot and get your set of T10, that full screw over here. Take this full screw out real quick. I'm gonna take that out using your T10. Be careful so you don't misplace that. All right, and repeat the same thing all the way around. Okay. All right, so after I remove this full screw, I'm gonna just pull this out just like this, guy. Easy. Pull this out. You can shut off the truck before doing this, but it's cold out here, so I see no reason doing that. This is not a high voltage, just a low electrical thing, so don't be afraid of that. And then after you pull this out just like that, you're gonna use both of your hands. You hold one up to this. My hands are pretty dry, but you hold one of these, and then this right here, you're gonna press down. You guys see them? Press down and pull it out. Pull it out and separate this from the cable, right? And that's it. Once you do that, you're gonna be able to replace. This is the old one, that's the new one right there. Like I said, I'm just showing you guys what is going on here. I wanted to make sure that everything is working good before I show it to you guys, right? So that's it. Once you remove the old one, all right, you go ahead and, you know, put the new one and just press it in. You will hear the clicks, and that was it. All right, after that, put this back in just like this, guys, and go ahead and put your full screw back on. Use your T10 to tighten it down. If you're done doing that and your fans or your heater is not working, that means you have to go to the fuse. That's why you guys see the fuse box is open. So the fuse box is this right here, sitting right to the passenger side. It could be just like this, right? You pull it out. You guys see this fuse right here belong to the, I think that's the thing that controlling the blower, which is the fans and pretty much everything. Because after that done earlier, it wasn't working, and I was a little disappointed. I said, okay, what's going on? So then I opened the fuse box, and I realized that all these fuses are the same, but this one, it was kind of up. All right, you can see that the fuse, these fuses are something you can reset. You press down to it, you're gonna reset. All right, my truck is blowing hot air, guys, to be honest, blowing hot air. It just cost me pretty much nothing. I only paid for this thing on Amazon for $200, and I did it myself instead of going to dealership. And this is one of the reasons I'm still able to survive in this business, because I do stuff like this on my own. All right, the business stuff right now, you guys want to learn how to do some DIY on your own to save some of that money. So we in 2024 today, January 1st, 2024. I wish you guys nothing but happy new year. Learn how to do some DIY on your own to save yourself some money. This right here, it cost me $200, and I did it myself, right? And I don't have to go to dealership to buy the $1,000 one. It's blowing hot air. That's all matters to me. I tried the AC. The AC is also running. That's all matters to me. All right. The rate is crazy right now. So you don't want to be giving all that money to people. Like I said, we can barely even make the money when it comes to over the road. So when it comes to little repairs like this, that's where you want to learn how to save some money. I had to keep both trucks running just so they could, like, you know, heat up a little bit, because it's been a while. They've been sitting out there. Today was Monday, January 1st, 2024, and my driver is on the way to pick up this truck, and then I will be going over the road myself, right? For now, guys, I'm out of here. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace and love.